Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. On behalf of my group, I would like to welcome you to our presentation. My name is Shahira and today we are honored to present our group project entitled Hafiz Catering Management System. Hafiz Catering is a catering service provider based in Sungai Petani, Kedah, specializing in food preparation and event management. The company provides catering services for weddings, corporate functions, birthday parties, and akikah ceremonies, serving events ranging from 30 to over 1,000 guests. As the business continues to grow, managing customer information, event bookings, package selection, and payment records manually becomes increasingly challenging. These issues may lead to data redundancy, booking conflicts, and delays in retrieving important information. To address these challenges, we developed the Hafiz Catering Management System using Microsoft Access. The system helps organize business data, reduce human errors, generate reports more efficiently, and improve overall business operations and decision-making. Now, before developing the system, we analyze Hafiz Catering's current business operations and identify several key problems. The first problem is inefficient event scheduling. Without an integrated scheduling system, booking conflicts and resource allocation issues may occur, making it difficult to coordinate multiple catering events. The second problem is lack of integrated staff management. Staff assignments are handled manually, making it difficult to monitor employee availability and distribute workloads effectively. The third problem is limited inventory and equipment tracking. The company lacks real-time inventory monitoring, which may result in shortage, overstocking, or unavailable equipment during event preparation. The fourth problem is manual customer and booking management. Customer and booking information is stored separately, increasing the risk of duplicate records and slowing down the retrieval of information. The final problem is manual payment and financial recording. Payments and invoices are handled manually, increasing the risk of errors and delays in updating financial records. To overcome these challenges, we developed the Hafiz Catering Management System, which organizes all business information into a centralized database. The first table is the customer table, which stores all customer-related information in one centralized database. The customer ID serves as the primary key, ensuring that each customer has a unique record. The table also stores important information such as the customer name, payment status, phone number, address, event type, email, and booking date. By organizing customer information systematically, the system reduces duplicate records, improves data accuracy, and allows staff to retrieve customer information quickly and, of course, efficiently. Next, we have the booking table, which stores all booking-related information for each customer reservation. The booking ID serves as the primary key, while the customer ID acts as the foreign key that link each booking to the corresponding customer. The table also records the package ID, catering package, bags quantity, service staff, total guests, event date, and total price. By storing all booking details in one place, the system helps staff manage reservation more efficiently, reduce scheduling conflicts, organize event details, and improve payment and financial management. Together, the customer table and booking table form the foundation of the Hafiz Catering Management System, helping Hafiz Catering improve operational efficiency, reduce human errors, and provide better customer service. Now, I would like to hand over the presentation to Alia.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. First of all, thank you Shahira Shazwani for the clear explanation of the tables, including the booking table and the customer table. Now, I will continue our presentation by explaining the queries. Queries are used to search, filter, and calculate data quickly based on specific conditions. They help the staff manage customer and booking information more efficiently while reducing the time needed to find important information. First, I will explain the end query. The main function of this query is to find records that meet two or more conditions at the same time. As shown on the screen, this query combines data from the booking table and the customer table. In the criteria row, we set the event type as wedding and the payment status as paid. So, as a result, the system only displays customers who book a wedding event with Hafiz Catering and have complete their payment. This will help the management quickly identify customers with confirmed bookings without checking every record manually, and it also makes financial reporting faster, more accurate, and more efficient. Next, we move to the calculated query. This query performs calculation automatically inside the database without requiring manual calculations. As shown in the design view, the total price will use the IIF function. This formula checks the payment status such as paid or deposit and calculates the amount based on the original price. By using this built-in formula, Hafiz Catering can reduce human errors, save time, and ensure that financial information is always accurate and consistent. This also helps the staff prepare invoice and payment records more efficiently. Next, let's look at the OR query. Unlike the AND query, the OR query displays records that meet either one of the selected conditions. In this example, the criteria for the event type field are party or corporate. This means the system will display customers who book either a party event or a corporate event with Hafiz Catering. This allows the staff to compare different booking categories with easily, monitor customer demand, and prepare reports more efficiently. Next is the wildcard A query. This query is used to search for customer names that begin with the letter A. In the customer name field, the criteria used tells the system to search for any customer name that starts with the letter A, followed by any other letters. This means the staff at Hafiz Catering do not need to type the customer's full name. They only need to enter the first letter and the system will display all matching names. This makes searching much more faster, especially when the customer database contains many records. Lastly, we have the wildcard Kedah query. This query is used to search for customers based on their location. In the address field, the criteria tell the system to search for any address that contains the word Kedah, regardless of where the word appears in the address. This helps the staff at Hafiz Catering quickly identify customers from Kedah, and it also supports customer analysis, local marketing strategies, and better planning for catering service in that area. That is all from me about the queries in our database, and now I would like to pass this presentation to Iza, who will continue by explaining the forms, including the booking form, customer form, and multi-page form. Thank you.
Thank you, Alia, for the informative explanation of the query sections. First of all, Assalamualaikum and very good day to Madam Norafiza. My name is Nur Izzafatini binti Burhan and I will be presenting the form section of Hafiz Catering Management Systems, which consists of the booking form, customer form, and multi-page forms. First, let me explain the booking forms. This form is used to manage and monitor customer booking record in more systematic and organized ways. As shown on the screen, each booking has its own booking ID, which acts as a unique reference for every booking made in the systems. For example, when staff click the next button, the system will automatically display the next booking records. This means the booking ID will change from one record to another, such as from booking ID 1 to booking ID 2. At the same time, the customer ID will also change, for example from C001 to C002, together with all related booking informations. This allows staff to easily identify which customer made the booking, what catering package was selected, the pax quantity, whether the customer requested service staff or not, as well as the event date and total price. Besides that, the previous button allows staff to return to the earlier main record for reviews. To add record button is used to insert a new booking into the system, while the delete button is used to remove and cancel booking records. Overall, these command buttons make booking management more efficient because staff can review and manage record quickly without manually searching through the tables. Next, I will proceed with the customer forms. This form is used to store and manage customer information such as customer name, phone number, address, event type and email in one centralized interface, similar to the booking forms. This form also includes comments buttons such as next, previous, add record and delete. When the next button is clicked, the system will display the next customer records. This makes it easier to staff to review customer information, contact customer for booking confirmations, and update record whenever necessary. To add record button allows staff to register new customer, while the delete button is used to remove unnecessary and customer incorrect records. As a result, customer data can be managed in a more systematic and user-friendly manner. Next, I will explain the multi-page form. The multi-page form combines multiple sections into one interface by using tab navigations. In our system, it consists of two tabs, which are Booking tab and Customer tabs. Instead of opening the booking form and customer form separately, staff can simply click on the tab to switch between both sections depending on the information needed. This makes navigation much easier, saves time, and create a more organized workflow because all related information can be accessed within a single form. Now, I will continue with the report section by presenting the multiple Kedah reports. This report combines data from both the customer table and booking table to display complete booking information for customer located in Kedah. As shown on the screens, the report displays customer details such as customer name, address, phone number, and event type in structured formats. This allows management to analyze customer distributions and booking activity in Kedah more efficiently. With this report, management can review data more clearly and use it for better planning and decision making. That's all for my part. Thank you for your attention. I will hand over this presentation to Shazlina.
The All Query report displays booking record that satisfies one of several selected conditions. For example, management can generate reports for wedding or corporate bookings together in one report. This allows management to compare booking trends across different event categories. State Kedah Report. The State Kedah Report specifically lists customer and bookings from Kedah. This report helps management understand customer demand within the state and assist in planning marketing campaigns, transportations, staffings, and future business expansions. The relationship between the customer table and booking table is created using the customer ID field. The customer ID acts as the primary key in the customer table and as the foreground key in the booking tables. This creates a one-to-many relationship, meaning one customer can make multiple bookings, but each booking belongs to only one customer. This relationship eliminates duplicate customer records, improves data integrity, and ensures that every booking is correctly linked to the appropriate customer. For conclusions, the Hafiz Catering Management System successfully transformed the company's manual business process into a more efficient computerized system. By using Microsoft Access, the company can manage customer information, booking records, payments, form, queries, report, and database relationship in one centralized system. The implementations of Hafiz Catering Management System reduces human errors, improves data accuracy, speed up daily operations, and support better business decisions. Overall, this project demonstrates how database technology can improve business performance while providing a practical and reliable solutions for Hafiz Catering future growth.